That's right, today we have a sponsored video. Bestarc. I had never heard of these guys until they had reached out to me on TikTok. They sent a BTC 500 DP, I guess is what we've got here. It is their 7th generation plasma cutter. So apparently it's the fanciest one that they've got. And we're going to tear into the sucker and see what it's all about. Look at that cute little guy. Here's your roll for 220, and I believe they said it comes with an adapter. Looks like it's got a whole box of consumables here. Nice. It did. Came with the 220 to 110 adapter. You can use this thing on 110. I believe it's auto detecting. It senses what kind of current it's got. Very, very tiny little grounding hose. So you make your own. Came with a couple of consumables. Not as many as I'd like to have. Looks like it came with 2. Neither one of these are drag tip. Contactless tips. So guys, we got the ground, we got the hose, we got a bag of a couple of consumables. And I said that it came with the contactless tip. Multiple. Well, if I could ever get it out. It has a spacer sent with it, so that's actually pretty darn handy. Yeah. And it didn't come with any extra cups, sadly. Those do tend to break. So I'll get this sucker set up, we'll get ready for a test.